Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tammy and today we are gonna be making Egusi Soup. Egusi Soup is also known as melon seeds, which can be found across Nigeria and different parts of West Africa. It is very rich in proteins and different vitamins. Egusi Soup is very versatile, and different countries and tribes across Nigeria have different ways of making their Egusi Soup. So today you are going to be joining me in making Egusi Soup my own way. So stay tuned to the end and watch me devour the Egusi Soup I made. Come with me. Hi beautiful people, it's time to get into the egusi. I'm gonna be adding blended onions to my egusi to give it just a little bit of paste so that I can be able to mix it together and roll it into a ball and add it into my palm oil. Now I have my palm oil already very hot, so I'm gonna be adding my egusi that I had before into the mix. So I'm gonna be putting the egusi into a bowl or put it into a measuring cup and just put it into my mix, and just put the whole egusi. It depends on how much your egusi is, but this is looking real good right now. So I'm gonna add the whole egusi, which is a little bit much, into the palm oil. As you can see, it is looking nice. So just put the whole egusi into the palm oil and just give it a little bit of mix and fry it on low heat. This recipe calls for frying, so we have to fry the egusi really well to give us the perfect taste that we want. As you can see, I'm frying my egusi right now and it is looking real good. So next, after frying the beautiful egusi, we're gonna stir to make sure that it's not burning underneath. So we're frying this on a very low heat, and then you can see you're gonna use your spatula or your spoon or whatever you're using to make sure the egusi is very well fried. Next, we are gonna be adding a pepper mix. I don't know what your pepper mix is saying, but I used a little bit of bell pepper, a little bit of habanero, and just a little tiny bit of tomatoes so that it won't be too spicy, because I don't know who is eating your egusi, so we don't want them to choke on spice, because we Africans, we love spicy food. So that's what I'm using. And then right next, I'm gonna be adding some locust beans into my egusi, which is gonna give it a little nice taste. After the locust beans, you're gonna stir the egusi, and then you're gonna add some crayfish. Crayfish is very relevant in this recipe, so it's good you add some crayfish or some shrimp sauce, whatever you think is relevant for your recipe. But I'm adding a crayfish and shrimp sauce to my recipe, so you can see the recipe down below. Next, I'm gonna be adding some beef to my recipe, which is gonna be good. And then first of all, before you add your beef into your recipe, you must add your beef stock or your chicken stock. It depends on what you want to use. I added a beef stock to my recipe because I'm gonna be using some beef, and then you're gonna put some salt, just a little bit, not too much. It depends on your preference. So I'm gonna be adding some salt to my recipe, and you're gonna give it a really good stir, because you're frying the egusi. You're not cooking it, you're frying it. So you have to stir it from the bottom, but you don't have to let it burn, because you're cooking it on a very low heat. So the pot has to be on a low heat, and you don't cook it overboard, because if you cook it overboard, the egusi is gonna burn. Then next you're gonna add your proteins. I don't know what proteins you prefer, but I'm gonna be using some tribe. That's some Shaki that we call it in Yoruba. I'm gonna be using some goat meat, and I'm gonna be using some cow skin, which we call some ponmo. So you know how it goes. So you're gonna give that to a very good stir, because you need everything to incorporate together on their own. So as you can see, my egusi is looking really good, because I just added my protein to it, and it's looking fancy already. Can you imagine? Some people had lobster, some people had maybe some shrimp to the egusi. That's fine, depends on what you like. Next, I'm gonna be adding some stockfish and some dry fish to my recipe, which is looking good. And then you need to have more butter. I'm using my beef stock that I previously had to my egusi, so that you can have some liquid, because obviously we've been frying some egusi. You don't want a dry egusi. So the egusi is looking good. It depends on how much your egusi is. You're gonna add the liquid as much as the egusi is, so that you can give it a little bit of liquid while you're eating your egusi. So as you can see, I added more liquid to mine, because it wasn't looking so liquidy. It was looking so thick before, and it's looking real nice and real good. So you will let the egusi cook for some minutes, probably about 10 minutes on a low heat. Do not increase the level of the heat, because the egusi will burn before you add other stuff to it. So while you're waiting, you just chop your vegetables, and then later on you check your egusi to make sure it's not burning from beneath, and then you stir. Because why? We do not want our egusi to burn, and the egusi is looking so yummy. So now we have our egusi with a mix of pepper, with a mix of our proteins, with a mix of fish. Now we are adding what? We are adding our spinach to the egusi. Some people use bitter leaf, some people use spinach, some people use ugu, which is the Nigerian spinach. So it depends on whatever you want to use. That's up to you. Now I'm using my spinach, and I've added it to my egusi mix, and it is, oof. Man, I cannot wait to eat this one. It's looking so good. I have my protein mix, I have my fish, I have my crayfish, I have my shrimp. Oh my god. Can you see what I'm talking about? The egusi is looking right nice and good. Okay, so I'm going in for a taster. I think it's so now I can't wait to serve you all that good egusi. But you know what? I don't know what you guys want to pair your egusi with, but sometimes some people pair with bar, some people pair with fufu, some people pair it with poundo yam, and some people pair it with amala. So it depends on whatever you want to pair your egusi with. But now you see my egusi is ready, and I'm putting it into a plate to pair it with something nice. What do you think I'm gonna pair it with? You guys think and guess, and let me know. So yeah, my egusi is ready and it looks absolutely amazing. So this is my own version of egusi. What do you think about it, guys? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be looking forward to it. So I'm back and my egusi soup is ready, as you can see, and I just couldn't wait to have a taste of it. I am having egusi soup and pounded yam. Would you like to join me in having some? So guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also comment below what you like about this video and what else you'd like to see in my next video. I will surely see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.